Okay guys, today I'm going to show you a great way to make money online as a college student. And even if you're not college student, you can use this method to make money online. But like I said, if you are a college student and if you like chatting, then this is a great way for you to make some extra income. So with that being said, let's start. Okay, let me first show you reviews of this website. When we come here on Glassdoor, here you can see that 919 people actually reviewed this company. And here you can see, on average, they got 4 stars. Now, that is actually a good rating, considering that almost 1,000 people actually reviewed this website. And when you scroll here you can see actually what people who work for this company, what they think about this company. Like I said, on average, they got 4 stars, which is pretty good considering they have 1,000 reviews, almost 1,000 reviews. And here you can see salary, interviews, benefits, photos, and diversity. You can see this data about this company. And the company that I'm actually talking about is calling Working Solutions. Now, these guys here will actually give you multiple opportunities to make money with them as a freelancer, okay? And here you can see some more information about this company, but here you can see they have actually more than 150,000 freelancers working for them. That is actually pretty impressive. Here you can see you can work from the home, which means you don't have to get up every morning and go to the job, to go to your office. You can actually work from your own home, from your own living room. Here you can see be your own boss, which means you can work when you want, with who you want, and how much you actually want to work. And when you scroll here you can see some testimonials. Here you can see based on $15 per hour, if you work 7 hours per day, you can earn $105 per day. And with that rate, you can actually earn $420 per week. And when you scroll here you can see more testimonials from more people who actually work for them. And when you scroll here you can actually see they are working with some really big companies like CNN, FlexJobs, ABC, NBC, Forbes, okay? And when I click here, opportunities, I can actually get more information as a freelancer. Here you can see 5 opportunities and apply. Here you can see they actually explain more about their program. Here you can see more information. Here you can see set your own hours, which means you can actually set up your own hours. You can work how much you actually want. Of course, the more you work, the more money you will make. Work from home, be your own boss. And here you can see more information. But when I scroll here, and here you can see actually they work only with the clients from Canada and United States. But like I said, those are clients. Freelancers are around the world, but their clients are from US and Canada only, which means you actually must speak English. And when I click here, I can actually get more information as a freelancer, what they actually require from me. Just give it a few seconds to actually load this page, okay? And here you can see more information. Here you can see work from the home, no hassles of commuting, schedule your own working hours, which, like I said, you can choose when you work and with who you work. Get experience in different industries, high pay rates, get support every way. Now, like I said, they're clients, which means you will need to actually chat with businesses. You will not chat with some ordinary people. This is not a law chat or something like that. You will actually chat mostly with the companies, okay? And here you can see get support, which means they actually have a really good support. So if you have any issues, any questions, no problem, just contact their support and they will help you with that. Now, this is really important. Here you can see apply now. After that, you will need to complete a test. That test takes about 30 minutes to complete. And if you actually pass the test, they will accept you. And to pass the test, you actually need to be fluent in English. Like I said, you don't have to live in United States or Canada, but you need to speak English. And also, they will check how you structure your messages, and also they will check are you polite and stuff like that, because you will be chatting with people, and they will actually offer you different ways to make money online with them, okay? As a college student, but also as someone who already graduated, or and someone who is actually searching way to make money online. Here you can see more informations, client programs, schedule, compensations. Here you can see you can make up to $19 per hour, but they will actually pay you per minute. What that means? That means if you, for example, chat with the client for 10 minutes, that means that you will actually earn $3, not $19. But if you chat with the client for 20 minutes, then you will earn $6. But that doesn't matter, because if you chat with one client, for example, for 3 minutes, right after that, you can start chatting with another client, and you can chat with that other client for 5 minutes or 15 or even an hour. And you can earn up to $19 per hour chatting with different clients. Okay, here you can see more information, required skills. Please read required skills. Here you can see you can actually make money with phone calls, with chat, or responding on emails. Those are the 3 ways that you can actually make money with this company here. Like I said, read the requirements. If you do not fulfill the requirements, then you probably won't be accepted. Okay, here you can see technology and equipment requirements. You must use your own computer, no cell phones, no tablets, only laptop or a desktop. That is a requirement. Here you can see you cannot use Wi-Fi. You must have a wire internet, okay? Windows 10 or Windows 11 operating system. Like I said, read these requirements. Here you can see work environment requirement. Here you can see quiet, uninterrupted space, organized desk area, because when we go back here you can see phone calls. You can also get a phone calls. Sometimes people will actually call you on Zoom or WhatsApp and you will have to respond. So if you have unorganized desk area, that actually cannot look that good. People will quite often quit talking with you. They don't want to talk with you because your desk is unorganized. That is why this actually is a condition. Your desk must be organized. It must look professional. And like I said, read all of these requirements. And also they can find jobs for you. As you can see here, jobs specifically for you. Like I said, if you fulfill all of the requirements as they stated here, then you can apply and you can start taking this test. It takes up to 30 minutes. And if you finish this test successfully, you will be accepted and you can actually start making money as a college student just by chatting. And to actually apply for this company, all you have to do is just click here on apply. You can apply for this company, and like I said, if you successfully finish the 30-minute test, you will be accepted and you can start making money as a college student just by chatting with different kind of clients. And that actually can be a good way for you to get some experience before you start working on a real job. Like I said, this can be a good way to make some extra money online. That's it for today, guys. If you wish to see more ways to make money online, make sure to subscribe to my channel, and also don't forget to like this video. And also on your right side you can see more videos that you can watch on YouTube that may help you to make money online.